Let's make another smoothie. First, we need some strawberries. 1/2 cup of strawberry. Some pineapple orange juice.
I want to do it.
She would not stop talking. And 1 banana. Then we turned on the blender and blended and blended and blended. And pour it in some cups, and it's time to drink. That was the yummiest smoothie I ever had. I think it was the yummiest smoothie we made ever.
And what did we put in that strawberry banana smoothie that was so yummy?
Strawberries, bananas, pineapple orange juice.
And that was it? And that was easy to make, right?
Yeah.
You want to make it again?
Yes, but with marshmallows on top.
With marshmallows on top? That's silly.